Hello, and welcome to another update on Link. I'm currently here on the weekly chart for Link, and what we're looking at here is currently a small pullback that started to unfold after the price formed the local price top here mid-August. Unfortunately, the price could not hold above this green line and is showing some weakness in line with many other cryptocurrencies. However, I have to say, Link has been holding up much better than many other charts. I mean, a lot of them are deep in support. Obviously, then there is always an elevated risk of breaking support levels. Link, however, is way above critical support levels. So the important support area here is between $13.28 and I can even add here the 38.2 retracement, so around $13 and $19.50. That is a key support area that's currently holding for Link. Obviously, we haven't even reached it, but we might reach it. We don't have to. It's a support area. It keeps the trend up. And support areas are normally not targets. They are simply support areas. So that means that the trend, you could say, is up. The trend is up on the Link chart as long as we are holding above the $13.28 level. We know that, if the market breaks below the 78.6 retracement, it typically indicates that the structure is starting to fail. It means it's a sign of weakness. But yeah, for now, we're not even there. But local pressure appears to be down. It's just a bit boring. Yeah, September is typically not the strongest month. So there are other scenarios that, that could play out. I mean, maybe this is another 1-2-1-2 setup. So we might not necessarily go deep into this support area, yeah. There are a few different possibilities, but in the grand scheme of things, this is the main support area to watch. Let's now take a look at the shorter time frame for Link. Just gonna switch charts here. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame. This is obviously where you see all the micro patterns, and you see that the market is currently holding below a trend line. So this is the nearest trend line I can offer. The nearest resistance parameters basically is a dynamic resistance line, of course. So what you can see here is that the market is holding below this yellow line. That's coming in at around $23. So we've broken below the green line. Maybe this green line and the yellow line act as resistance now. Above this $23 level, we could be dealing with a more extended B-wave bounce, but to really confirm an upside reversal here, more needs to happen. We're currently holding above the 88.7 retracement of the move up from the 15th of August low. It's just a Fibonacci retracement area. I don't have much confidence that it will hold, okay? But it's a support level to watch. We have a small bounce, hardly noticeable, however. Next support levels are here at around $21.44 and $20.86. I personally don't expect major movements here in the next 1 or 2 weeks. I mean, we'll see, but for now, it's not showing any crazy upside momentum or any sign that the bulls are showing up. It might bleed a little bit lower, and the support levels should be very, very clear on the chart. But overall, that doesn't mean I'm bearish. I'm actually looking for higher prices. Question is just how deep is this pullback going to be? And we don't seem to have formed the low yet, so we might need a little bit more patience. But once I see the first micro 5-wave move up, that would be our first indication that Link has bottomed, and I will then, of course, keep you updated about that. Yeah, that's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates, news, and much more. Feel free to join us here. Also today at 5 p.m. UTC, we've got our member live stream in case you want to join. Oh, and the link to X is in the video description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.